Do you reckon if you'd won on Thursday, it would have felt less like a crap day on Friday?
Yeah. Well, it's funny because we sort of... So I was definitely in a bit of a mood on Friday. I just woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
Despite Jasmine's mood, things are rocketing forward for this couple. Kingsman are back in this morning to finish the install. And Luke is forging ahead with the prep for the skirts. But none of that's going to impress Jasmine today.
I am ordering a mirror because we need a full-length mirror and a mirror for our dressing table, and our friends at Kinsman said that they couldn't supply it, so I'm having to supply it ourselves. Oh, I didn't like Kinsman. Oh, yeah, they are supplying other houses, so I'm not sure why they couldn't supply us, but, yeah, our budget definitely can't take a mirror cost if they're supplying other houses. I just find that really bizarre and unfair, to be honest. Watch out. Oh. I don't know how that's safer. This part's uneven. Fix it. I'm tripping over lots. Well, I've tripped over that more than I've tripped over the timber. It's honestly worse.
The wrath of Jasmine hit.
Yeah.
Jazz, can you grab me a rag?
No, Luke, I'm ordering a mirror that was meant to be ordered yesterday, so no, I cannot get you a rag. Get yourself a rag. It's just a lot of that sort of vibe. I knew I was putting out that vibe. I just couldn't stop.
Hello.
Hello, Scotty.
How are you?
What a surprise. Good morning.
What a surprise. You knew we were coming. How are we going to beat these mongrels?
I think they've done it. I think they've done it. Turn around. Look at the size of this thing.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big curl. I like that. Good vibes. Good vibes.
Yeah.
Luke and Jazz are going white on white with a wainscoting on the walls and ceiling and a hand-built upholstered window seat with white shutters. And their secret weapon, custom-made queen-size four-poster bed in black.
Can you see how you've got a hold of the era and grown since the first bedroom?
Yes.
Most definitely.
And this room's going to be so different to that, isn't it?
Yeah, this is probably more in line with our taste and our style, so we probably should have gone that way, but that's okay.
Yeah.
You've just got to find your feet, you know? Well, let's have a look at this walk-in and see how we're going to win the week. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh, well, a bit of natural lush.
This is nice and big.
Yeah.
You think? Good.
Oh, it's
okay. Oh, I don't know.
They're continuing the white theme in here with open shelving accentuated by LED edge lighting and a dressing table with stone top.
We know Kinsman will do a beautiful fit-out on all your shelves.
Yeah.
Do you have doors coming?
Yes.
No doors. They didn't.
No doors.
No, they didn't.
On
provide
here,
us with
yeah.
doors.
And here's the stores.
I don't think there is, hun. They said no.
It was at this moment, though, that our pep talk went pear-shaped.
Did you want doors?
Yeah, we talked about doors and they said it wasn't high-end and luxe.
Oh, I think the white's not very high-end or
We
luxe.
did all say that. We also said that. Yep.
Once it's all LED lit, you know, once that dressing table's in with its beautiful stone and it's, you know, there's other features in there that your eyes are going to be drawn to. So, at the end of the day, you're going to be covered. It's going to be full of clothes.
Oh, I don't know. The white's, I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't, yeah, and this is where we went white on white, but we couldn't, yeah, we only could get oak in those boxes. My concern was it was going to be very plain and look like a very generic brand because it was white on white. And when it did get installed and Shelley came around, she said it did look quite cheap looking, and I got a bit upset because, yeah, that was obviously my biggest fear. Hate it. Sorry, Kinsman.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's all right, it'll be fine.
The fact that I asked for a mirror, they said no, but gave one to House One. I'm so pissed off with those robes.
He's doing a head in. Yeah, I want to go give her a hug.
Our friends at Kingsman always try their hardest to accommodate the couple's wishes. Which is why I've gone out of my way to get to the bottom of Jasmine's problems with her walk-in robe.
Hello, Jazz.
How are you?
Very good. I just wanted to have a chat to you about the Kingsman situation. because I don't want you to feel as though you've been hard done by, and I don't want Kingsman to feel as though they've done the wrong thing.
That's
I
right.
wanted to have a chat to you about that. Because I've gone back and listened to the audio
Right.
of the conversation
Yes.
that you had.
Okay, great.
Yeah. So when it comes to the doors, he said to you, do you want doors? And you said, I don't know, what do you think?
Yeah, okay.
So we're thinking doors, maybe?
Well, what do you think?
It is quite luxe to kind of have everything open.
Okay, great.
So I might even, suggest leaving the doors off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You went, OK, let's go with that. Straight away.
Yeah.
Then, when it comes to the colour of the white,
I'm wondering then if we just do all white
Okay. Yeah, white on white.
and the internals
Yeah.
are white too. That's our brief.
That's your brief? Yeah. Let's
So-
do white then.
you said, no, actually, my brief is white on white on white,
yeah.
and that's what we're going to go with.
But then we said oak at the top and then oak at the bottom?
No,
No.
that was not said. That was not said at all.
Okay.
And when it comes to the mirror,
Yeah, I did ask for a mirror.
what happened was that,
He said that's our job to pay for it. And I said,
no,
yeah.
before that, he came to you and said, it's time for your wardrobe consult, and you said, I haven't got time.
Yeah.
And then they went away. They only had 2 mirrors to give away,
Yeah.
and you said, I haven't got time. But you could have been first, and you could have got the mirror.
Yeah, okay. So I didn't realise that if you don't go first, you miss out on things.
But
Now
then
I know that.
they had one set of LED lights to give away, and you got those because
Okay.
you didn't get a mirror. So, just think about it next time.
Yeah.
And we love Kingsman.
We do, and listen, and I feel for them because they're on a tight time frame.
Yeah. Oh, well, they still delivered. They just delivered exactly what you asked for.
Yeah.
They
Yep.
did.
Yep.
I just listened to the audio
Yep.
like 10 minutes ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess.
Exactly.
Yeah.
What you asked for.
Okay, I'll take
Good
it.
on you, mate.
All right.